Hi, I'm Katie B, and I'm here at Infinite Monkey Theorem with Denver Yoga Social to teach y'all seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Um, there's a great reason to do these folds. Your hamstrings get shortened while you're seated all day. So forward folds and a lot of the beginner stretches in yoga are here to lengthen the hamstrings, which can release your lower back pain from being seated all day. So the first thing that I would do is I would curl my toes back towards my face to activate my leg muscles. I would remove the meat from my sits bones so that I'm firmly planted onto the mat. And then beginner level, you're just going to inhale, raise your arms up, and then hinge from your hips, not from your waist. So keep your back straight. Come all the way down. When you can't go down anymore, you place your hands on the floor. If you're at home, you can bring a pillow here as a bolster. If you have a yoga bolster, you can lay down this way. Prioritize pulling that tailbone tall behind you and long line of energy out through the crown. So your spine is going to stay straight and active in this stretch. If you'd like to, you're going to keep your knees bent. That's going to be bus stop 1, so you can get a little bit lower, but keep that spine straight. Bus stop 2 would be straightening those knees. And bus stop 3 would be pulling yourself down, bringing your forehead onto your shins. Wherever you are, just remember to breathe deep.